Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, let's play with some new makeup. Now, it might not be new to you because I've been gone for a little bit, but it's brand new makeup to me and I can't wait to kind of just play and have fun today. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Okay, as you can see, I already have my foundation on, and you're gonna have to watch my most recent Foundation Friday to see what it is. But we're actually gonna start with the eyes. I picked up in the Sephora sale just a few things, and one of them is the new Gwen Stefani stuff, and it is called I See in Color, Simple Kind of Love. And so this is what it looks like, and this is this. I didn't really love the other colors. And then I also picked up these from It Cosmetics. It's their Superhero No Tug Cream Eyeshadows. So we're going to play with that first. We're going to actually put this color on first, and it is called Slick Armor, I think. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so we're actually going to pop this all over the lid. I wanted to try some new, eyeshadows for you guys. And I'm just going to pop this all over the lid. Those are nice. These are really, really nice. They go on so easily. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, this has not a ton of color, and that was on purpose. And so I'm just bringing this in from the inner corner all the way out. This actually is how I used to do my makeup in my very, very early 20s. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go in with a little bit of powder now. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to build the brow bone first, and then the crease. I'm going to put these two together. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we're just going to do a little bit on the brow bone. Oh, these are very powdery. But it also could be the brush I'm using too, because I don't have a very dense brush. So let's grab one. Do I even have one? Oh my gosh, you guys, it's been so long since I even done makeup. No, they're still pretty powdery. Okay, so I'm just going over the edge. Sure, I mean, it's a pretty color. You can barely see it, literally. Okay, so then we're gonna go, yeah, they're super powdery. I don't know about this. So we're gonna go back into this one and just kind of give the crease a little bit of dimension. And actually the cream shadows really dried down quite quickly. I don't really feel any grabbing from the powder going on top. So that's nice. These two together are a very pretty color. But you know what? Like, I wanted to try it because I do love me some Gwen Stefani, but I just feel like you could get these exact same colors and the exact same result in like an e.l.f. palette or a Juvia's Place or something like that. But I definitely will use it because they're so neutral. They're pretty, and they have quite a nice pigment amount. They are pretty user friendly, so you don't feel like you're getting a ton of pigment. Yeah, that's nice. Do I think they're anything special? No, but they're a nice color. I'm going to now go in with this one from It Cosmetics. It is called, oh Lord, I don't know. What is this called? Their packaging is so shiny, it's so hard to see the color. Super State. And we're just going to go a little bit along the lash line and into the crease a touch, just to give this a little more depth. Go back in with our first brush and just kind of blend that out. This is a BK Beauty brush. They sent this to me. This is the Angie Hot and Flashy collab. Yeah, these are pretty. I really like these cream eyeshadows. They play really nice with powders as well as just on their own. These are pretty. But they do dry down, so there isn't like a ton of playtime to it. So make sure you work quickly. I ordered these so long ago, I don't remember if It Cosmetics has mattes. If they do, I would definitely get those too, because I don't love to do a whole eye look in like a shimmer. It just has a tendency to show, just some texture and fine lines. So if they have mattes, you can get more mattes and then just pop it with a little bit of one of these kind of more shimmery colors. This one grabbed a little bit more. I probably didn't give it enough time to dry down. But yeah, they're pretty, right? You can do a really nice, pretty soft makeup look. This is my smaller eye, so it always takes a second to like get this one right. Okay, we'll do a little on the bottom in a second. Okay, I just popped on some Better Than Sex mascara. Next, I got the new KVD Beauty, Vegan Beauty or whatever it is, concealer. And I don't think my eyes are going. It's just that everything is so small. Light 109. And this might be a touch light for me, but that's okay. Let's play with it. So we're just going to do a touch here. No, it's actually good. This is supposed to be like all the rage that everybody's talking about, this concealer. So it's supposed to be high coverage. I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to go in with the A506 from the Angie Hot and Flashy collection, BK Beauty. This is a really pretty brush. It really does a nice job. I don't even know if it's for concealer. It doesn't really say, so obviously you can use it on whatever. The concealer's nice. It is a more higher coverage concealer, but very like serum-y, very silky. Yeah, that's almost exactly my color, like of my skin. So that's really nice. Okay, great. Today I am setting with a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury powder, the loose one. The foundation I used is really glowy and pretty. So I just want to set it a little bit though, because it never dried down. So we do need to set it so we can put some powder products on top of it. Okay, and then BareMinerals sent me some of their new Gen Nude bronzers. I have Kiss of Rose, Kiss of Pink, and Kiss of Copper. So today we're going to be using Kiss of Pink, I believe, and Kiss of Copper. Yeah, I wouldn't call Kiss of Pink a bronzer because it definitely is pink, but you know what it might be? Ooh, these are really shimmery. Oh, they're called blonzers. Blonzers. Luminous rosy bronze colors highlights your complexion with a natural looking glow, just like the first kiss of sun with blurring mineral powders. Okay, so the copper is a little bit dark for me, and this is more of my color. This one's called Kiss of Copper, and this one's called Kiss of Pink. I'm definitely going to use them today, but they are a little bit shiny for me. So what I'm going to do is, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my regular bronzer. Yeah, I think I'm going to use my regular bronzer, and then I'll come back and show you what these look like. Okay, I'm just going to use one that I have close by. This is just by Wander Beauty. I do love the brush they sent me though. This is a beautiful BareMinerals brush. It's the Seamless Shaping and Finishing brush. So we're just going to add a little bit of bronzer here. Yeah, because I don't love bronzers that are super shiny. I like them to be more on the matte side, or like a finishing bronzer. You know, the ones by Hourglass. Yeah. Oh, I needed some color. That foundation just makes you all one color. Okay. And I don't like to use the shimmery stuff on my forehead either, because that just looks a little strange. If you guys would like a video, there's this new trend where people are putting their blush like up here and under their eyes. If you want a whole video on kind of explaining why people are doing that, let me know. Okay, so this is the bronzer. This is the Kiss of Copper. It's very pretty. I mean, you know, it's very pretty and it's very pigmented and it looks really nice. That's actually all somebody might need. If you're fairer like me, I'm going to do just a Kiss of Pink kind of just right here on the top. These are really pretty, you guys. But they look best when you've paired them with like a matte. I'm just blending with my powder brush, that's all. Oh yeah, I look like I got a little color, don't I? Pretty. That's nice. All right, so I just did my brows and finished off with my tried and true Pillow Talk lip liner as well as the lipstick. I don't have a new lipstick that I've been obsessed with, so this is the final look. I really, really, really enjoy just a really beautiful, natural, approachable look. I just think that it's so nice. Okay, so let's talk about the products. For me, this is just like I don't know, for the price, I'm just like, well, you can buy something else somewhere else that's just as good. But if you're into Gwen, it is a good palette. I especially like these colors. Of course, there's a little bit of powderiness to the product, but that's what you choose to do with it. I love these, but pair them with a matte bronzer or a matte contour, and then that will give you the effect that you're looking for. I don't think you need both, but I'm extra, so I used both those. I actually will be using those on a daily basis. I love them. Concealer is super nice. I don't have, oh, I do have some creasing. Okay, so that's good to know. But that's just right underneath the eye, just a little bit in that fold that I have. But the rest of it looks really, really good. It's, excuse me, it's very, very soft. It's very serumy. So yes, I'm happy that I have this. I will absolutely use this again. These are definitely a win for me. Again, look if they have some matte ones, and you might want to kind of look into that and see if this is something that you might want to use. Super easy to use, very blendable, very user-friendly. So, and this brush, if you guys are looking for a blush brush or a bronzer blush, it's really a perfect size and shape for that. So, all right, well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Comment below. I would love to hear maybe some of your new finds, and I'll go grab them. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.